Please join us. Welcome once again in Walang
Hello.
Tulugan.
Hello.
That's
Hello.
Jackie Loom.
And of course, Kuya Jer.
Hero.
Yes, hi.
Kasama din natin ang kanyang interpreter na si Mayo Suzuki.
Opo.
I think Mr. Jackie Lou is very, very excited already.
Yes.
Yes, very exciting po.
Ang regular showing nito is
March 5
March 5.
showing.
Gusto ko lang tanungin, why he chose, ang leading lady niya kasi dito is Jeneline Mercado, no?
Huwag na
Bakit
script-
niya napili si Jeneline?
スクリプトを書いて、書いた時にジェネリンで決めた。
Ako po kasi yung gumawa ng script na movie.
Okay.
Then nung gumagawa pa lang po ako ng script, naisip niya ko na si Jenny yung pipiliin. Parang bagay po sa role si Jenny.
Nakita ba niya si Jeneline in some other movie?
ジェネリンは前から見てたんで、すごくキュートで、プロフェッショナルだなと思ってた。日本で見てる。
Sa Japan po, napapanood ko sa TV si Jenny Lin. Para nakikita ko po na cute si Jenny Lin. Kaya siya po yung napili.
Bagay for the role also.
Yes.
Okay na okay. Tsaka kanina lang napansin ko, ang ganda nung lyrics nung kanta.
The theme song.
Nung theme song, sinong nag-compose?
salamat po. パーノは、僕がイメージをして、それをチャッキーに伝えて、チャッキーっていうのが書いた。
After po ng nagawa po ng movie, ako nag-compose sa ano lang po, yung image ng movie. And then yung lyrics naman kay Chucky Dreyfus.
Wow.
Oh, si Chucky pala.
Rogers, magaling yan. Kasi
Produkto
nakasama
na
ko
naman
rin yan
ng That's
before. Magaling
Entertainment.
mo.
Beautiful, beautiful theme song.
You know, it's very powerful, the theme song.
Thank you, salamat po.
And how did you learn to sing that song in Tagalog? You know?
前からその日本でも、香港でもそういう仕事をしているので、前からずっと、映画のイメージで作ってる。
Dati pa po ako gumagawa ng theme song ng movies sa Hong Kong, sa Japan. Kaya nagawa ko rin po yung ngayon.
Ang galing, no? Oo.
Ang galing.
Pero diretso siyang yung
Walang,
pagkakanta niya na
hindi
Tagalog.
nagkakamali sa pronunciation.
Oo.
Tama eh.
Paano niya ginawa?
いっぱい練習して、覚えて。
Practice po ako ng practice.
Pero,
Yes,
sorry, konti-konti, dahan-dahan.
Dahan-dahan. Oo nga naman. Konti-konti
Konti-konti.
dahan-dahan.
Yes, and now the showing of the movie will be on March 5. How many theaters?
多分、どのぐらい、SM とかいろんなとこやってるんで、いっぱい、30以上だと、もっといっぱいあると思う。
More than 3 theaters po, nationwide.
Okay.
Yes.
Ang may premiere night ba?
March 3, meron.
March 3.
March
Okay.
3.
March 3
Okay.
premiere night, March 5 regular showing.
All right.
Opo.
So once again, you invite our Walang Tulugan viewers.
Opo. Manotok kayo ng pelikula ko, Half-Blood Samurai, March 5 showing. Supportahan niyo po kami. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you
Ayan.
very much.
Thank you,
Maraming
thank you.
salamat.
Thank you.
Kuya Germs, bago siya umalis, pasigawin natin siya ng walang tulugan.
Oh, pero bago yun, nais ko rin, I want to thank Mr. Jackie Wu because he's more interested doing movies in the Philippines
Yes.
and hire Filipino workers.
Oh,
you
that's
know.
a help for our Filipino
Yeah,
actors.
tsaka Filipino artists also. So that's a big, big help to our industry.
Yes.
So, and to our co-actors. Thank you very much, Mr. Jackie.
Maraming salamat.
The only problem...
Ako din, gusto kong forever kasama Philippine staff, pelikula ko. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming
But
salamat.
there's a
Mr.
problem.
Jackie.
There's a problem. You did not take me to be in the movies, you know?
Thank you po.
Next time.
You know, it hurts me.
Opo.
Did you understand that? Opo, opo.
Yes,
What
yes,
is it?
understand.
Oh,
Yes.
ano sinabi ko?
Next pelikula ko kasama,
Oh,
diba?
Oh, yan naman pala eh.
Kuya Germs,
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very
Maraming
much.
salamat
Ito po
po.
ang pelikula ni Mr. Jackie Wu. And of course, the leading lady is Jeneline Mercado.
Thank you also, Mayo.
Thank you.